Hello everyone, welcome back to BrightMind CBSE class. Hope you are doing great.
Okay, so in our previous lesson, we learned how to add and subtract like fractions where the denominator are the same, right? Example 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 2. Here, denominator are the same. So, today we are going to learn addition of with unlike denominator. Okay, so at first, this topic may seem a little tricky, but don't worry. Once you learn one simple method, it becomes very easy. So, get your notebook and pencil ready and let's learn this topic in a fun and easy way. So, let's get started. Okay, so before we add or subtract, unlike fractions, we do remember one thing. There is a one rule, important rule. We cannot directly add or subtract like fractions with different denominator. Okay. In like fractions, we do the direct addition and subtraction in with same denominator. But in unlike fraction, we cannot directly add or subtract fractions with different denominators. Okay. For example, I will write here, wait. For example, I will write here 9 by 10 plus 1 by 6. So, here the denominator are 10 and here is the 6 which are different. Both are the different. So, what we need to work here? So, our first step is to find the common denominator. Okay. So, first we need to find the common denominator to convert both of these fractions into fractions that have a common denominator. Okay, so how do you think about the common denominator? Let me explain. Well, a common denominator gonna have a common multiple of these two denominator of 10 and 6. So what's a common multiple of 10 and 6? And it's usually simplest to find the least common multiple. Okay, what do you mean by the least common multiple? Least common multiple. We can say that in short form, it means the short form of LCM. Okay, right? And a good way of doing that is start with the larger denominator here. What is the larger denominator here? It is the 10. So, and so okay, is 10 divisible by 6? So let me check here. Is 10 divisible by 6? No, no. So okay, so now we can check more. Is 20 divisible by 6? Is it 20 divisible by 6? No. Is it 30 divisible by 6? So I am going through the multiple of 10. So we can check what is the smallest multiple of the 10. That is divisible by 6. Okay. And that's going to be 30. So well, I am writing here the fraction again. It's our fraction is 9 by 10 plus 1 by 6. Okay, so first I will take the first fraction, it's 9 by 10. I am multiplying the denominator by the 3. So what I will gonna here, I will multiply the denominator first 3, then again I will multiply the numerator by 3. So how it will come? It will come the number 27 by 30. Okay, So here I don't change the value of the fraction. I didn't change the value of the fractions. Here I have to do same thing with the numerator and the denominator, because now I am multiplying the numerator by 3 and denominator by 3. So 9 into 3 is 27 and 10 into 3 is 30. So it means 9 by 10. What it means? It means 9 by 10 or 27 by 30 represent the same number. I have just written it now with the denominator of 30, and same thing I will apply to the another fraction 1 by 6. So how do I will write here 1 by 6 multiply by 5, multiply by 5, denominator and numerator, it's equal to numerator, it will become 5 and denominator it will become a 30. So it means 1 by 6 or 5 by 30, it represents the same value. So we have to multiply by 5 here to denominator 5 and same to the numerator as well. Denominator and the numerator as same. So here 9 by 10, it's equal 27 by 30, and 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 30. It's same thing. Same thing, right? So now you can check that the denominator are same. We can add, so it means we can write here. So how do we can write here? We can write here 9 by 10 plus 1 by 6. So we can write the here first. I will 9 by 10 into 9 3 3, it will become 27 by 30 plus 1 by 6 into 5 into 5, it will become 5 by 30. So here what will come the answer? 27 by 30 plus 5 by 30. So we can write here 27 plus 5, denominator is the same, it will become the 32 by 30. Okay, so or if we want, we could reduce this fraction 32 by 30, we can reduce the fraction. How? Well, we have common factor of 32 and 30. They were both divisible by the 2. How it will divisible by the 2? So if we divide the numerator and the denominator by 2, if we divide the numerator and denominator by 2, okay, so it will become the 16 by 15. Okay, so 32 equal to 16 by 15. It will reduce the fractions. Okay, so let's take one more example. Yeah, so here I will write I will take 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Okay, so here is also the denominator are the different denominator. So we have to find the least common multiple factor. We will work again here with the LCM. Okay, so same way we will go for the larger number. How we will go? What is the larger number? Larger number is here the 5. Okay, So 5 is not, so we can check here. So 5 is not divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 4? No. So 10 is divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4. So 15 is divisible by 4. 15 is also not divisible by 4, right? So let me check with the 20. 20 is divisible by 4. Yes, 20 is divisible by 4. It, in fact, 4 into 5, it's equal to 20. Okay, so we have to write here denominator is 20. So what we will write here? We can write here denominator is the 20. Our denominator is the 20. Okay, so let me write here with the different number. Here is the denominator, our is 20. So how do we write? We have to take the first fraction, we can write 3 by 4 is into by 5 into by 5, it's equal to 3 into 5 in 15, 4 into 5 into equal to 20, plus we can take another fraction 1 by 5 into 4 into 4, it's equal to 4 by 20. So it means 15 sorry 15 plus 15 upon 20 plus 4 upon 20. So we can write 15 plus 4, denominator is 20. So it's equal to 15 plus 4, it's equal to 19 by 20. So our answer is 19 by 20. Okay, so that's all for the today's lesson. Hope you understood. If you enjoyed and learned from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BrightMind CBSE. Till the time, keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every fraction becomes easy when you follow the right steps. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.